Hey guys, how's it going? How to open live location in Google Maps from WhatsApp and iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your WhatsApp and let's say I want to go to my chat right here. If I clicked the maps.app, it will direct me to the iPhone maps. But if I hold right here to the link, right, and I open the link, you can see multiple options, right? And if I opened the link to, in Google Maps, you're gonna see like more than 3 options, right? Like open in Maps and open in Google Maps. Since I deleted my my iPhone Maps, you're gonna be opening this link for Google Maps. All right. So basically, it will direct you right here to the Google Maps. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.